Hi guys, today I'm gonna take you again to the farm for the fourth harvest. So I wasn't able to take you during the second and third harvest because I was busy working in the shop. So during the first harvest I already showed you in one of my videos. So now it's a fourth harvest from August until October. Usually every week there is a harvest. But now the prices are too low because of the lockdown. We cannot go out of this island, so we cannot sell our products outside the island like in Manila, and we have to stay and sell it here in the island. So it's sold at a very cheaper price, but then it's also good because we have contacts with the dealer, so we don't have to work very hard. After loading in the truck, we just drop it in her shop, and she will be the one to contact retailers. So guys, farming is a good business, especially if there is no typhoon. So you have to be patient. For example, this year there's a typhoon, and the next year you have to be patient. Not all year there's a harvest. If there is a typhoon, then there is no harvest and the income is zero. So there are instances like that. But if you want to be a farmer, you have to be patient. You have to be physically fit, because sometimes you have to lift. I can lift 22 kilos, 25 kilos, but I cannot lift 50 kilos. And sometimes you have to walk in the sun, you have to work in the sun, you have to go barefoot, you have to bear everything. So if you want to be a farmer and you don't like the sun, you don't like to walk, you don't like to sweat, so farming is not good for you. And also the ants, there is a lot of ants. So guys, this is a 03 variety. It's a cheaper variety, but you can see it's too red and it looks pretty. But the Ronggring variety, this is the Ronggring variety. It's greenish, but it's sold at a very expensive price. It doesn't look good because it's greenish and it looks unripe, but it's already ripe looking like this. Now the 03 variety, this one that you're seeing right now, we're weighing it at 11 kilo. Why 11 kilo? Because the other kilo, the 1 kilo is for free. So only 10 kilo is sold, and then the 11 kilo is for free. The first, the one, there is a free of 1 kilo. Oh gosh. And then we're going to drop it to the seller. Now this is the Ronggring. This is another variety of rambutan. You see the yellow box is called crates. One crate consists of 22 kilos, and then it's sold at a very expensive price because this variety of rambutan is so delicious. But when you go to countries like the Middle East or other Western countries, you cannot see rambutan like this. The ones I saw in the Middle East, it looks black. That's why I said it's very funny, because they are just throwing those black-looking rambutan. It's already rotten, and they're buying it in the supermarket in the West. So we're going to drop it in the dealer shop, and then we're going to sell some of it in our shop. So we cannot delay, we have to hurry, otherwise the fruits will wither and it doesn't look fresh anymore, because if the fruits are not fresh, it's very hard to sell. So next week I'm going to take you to the rice farm and let you see how it looks like. This is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.